So Anne went shopping and found a fun Halloween box. Yes, I did the shopping this time, and Fortune Cookie Soap has their Halloween box. What's your favorite scary movie? Oh, I don't know. I don't normally watch a scary movie. How about y'all? I want to see what's in the box. It smells good. Then let's take a look. Okay. In theme with the box, we got a pin and a sticker. I'm not so sure about this now. This is the Ghost Face Enzyme Facial Mask. You leave it on for 10 minutes and then you wash it off. This does look intriguing. And the scent profile on this one is green sage, sparkling citrus, grapefruit, salty minerals, soft sandalwood, and musk. There is a deep conditioner called Death Wish. No, I'm really not sure about this. I enjoy their deep conditioners. I think they do a good job. I have thin or fine hair, and this does a good job of conditioning but not weighing it down. Let's check the scent profile on this one. It says brandied pear, sweet nectarine, honeysuckle, green apples, white bergamot, and honey. Well, that does sound nice. Yes, it does. This box is based on the 1996 movie Scream, and I guess it has something to do with a telephone. We have a bath bomb done up like the old, if you know, you know, cell phone or landline. That has a scent profile of red beets, pineapple, honey, papaya, honeycomb, blackberries, creamy vanilla, and amber musk. You gonna try it? I don't know about that. What's next? We have the Deputy Dewy Boy toilet spray, which, at the risk of TMI, you spray it in the bowl and then take care of business. And the scent profile for this one is orange is thyme, lilac blossoms, and lavender. Oh, well, I'm glad I use a lot of rocks. One of the things that Fortune Cookie Soap is known for is their fortune cookie looking soap. And I have learned not to try to eat this. That's good. This one has a microphone on it. I'm really not that familiar with the movie, but I guess that must come into play somehow. I like the spooky green-ish color. And the scent note for that one is pomegranate, amber, blackberries, and lemongrass. Next we have some wax tarts called Everybody's a Suspect. I guess that's a theme throughout that movie. Yes, and it looks like you get several of them in there. I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, if we can count. And the scent notes on that one: mango, raspberries, and lemon curd, coconut, kiwi, and exotic musk. So I look forward to putting that in the wax melter and seeing or smelling it. We are halfway through the box, and Anne has decided that her two favorites are the hair conditioner and the wax melts. How about you? Did you see something you liked? We have a link in our description box down below if you want to sign up for a monthly box. And now, moving right along with this screamingly good video. This next item is something to apply to your skin daily. It's rich in antioxidants. It helps tighten skin. It makes skin soft and glossy without a greasy feeling. And it is called I'll Be Right Back. It is a body glaze. A good size of it, for 4 ounces. I believe this is full size. To be exact, I think everything in this box is full size. Oh, that's very nice. And the scent notes for I'll Be Right Back, which supposedly is something you're never ever, under any circumstances, supposed to say in a Halloween scary movie. They have sweet vanilla, cranberry, orange peel, apple, and cinnamon and clove. Oh, that does sound delicious. But I know, don't eat it. Just use it on your person. We have a corn syrup lip jelly called And I will say I have opened it and taken a little sniff, and yes, this is going to be a good one. Let me pull up the paper here. The scent notes on this one: fresh strawberry jam, vanilla bean, and exotic coconut. This next one is a foaming sugar scrub. It is called Plot Twist. And this might show up in one of our battles that we have on our channel. We do battles with comparing some products. I like the two-tone color of this one. Oh, how appropriate for this calendar. And let's see here, Plot Twist, what are you? You are juicy peaches, star fruit, roasted marshmallow, vanilla, orchid, mango, and cinnamon. That's quite a combination. And I also admit I took a little sniff. Is it good? It's good. This is a car freshie, and it's called It's a Scream, baby. I don't hang these in my car because having this dangle around would drive me bananas. Also, there's a possibility that it could melt. Hopefully our weather is cooling down some. But with that being said, I have been known to get a command strip and stick that on the wall and then hang this up in the bathroom for a little extra freshie in the bathroom. And the scent for It's a Scream, baby. The scent notes on that one: sweet coconut, ripe raspberries, mandarin, cinnamon, brown sugar, violet petals, succulent plum, peach, nectar, fried dough, sugar, vanilla, and cake. Wow, that's quite a list. Yes, that is. I'm feeling a little woozy here. That's the name of this next item. This is a stress relief gel that you're supposed to apply to pulse points or the back of your neck to help relieve stress. I guess in a scary movie, you get a lot of stress. And the scent notes for that one are, where are you? Juicy bergamot, lavender, lemongrass, mandarin, oranges. I'm not a big lavender person, so I don't know if we're going to keep that one or maybe pass it along. What's next? I'm dying of curiosity. Dying? Oh, bad choice of words there. I'm excited by curiosity. Okay. This is called Not in My Movie. It's a body gel, also could be used as a bubble bath. Yes, this is full size. So I think everything in here is full size. This is 9.6 ounces. And her scent notes are coconut cream, pumpkin puree, cinnamon, honey, citrus, and plumera blossoms. Plumeria blossoms? Plumera blossoms. Not sure if I got that right. And last but not least, we have a perfume oil. Final Girl. Well, that kind of makes it final. I guess that's how it goes sometimes in a scary movie. And the scent notes on that, oh my, I think I'm gonna like that one. Boy, the first scent is watermelon. And we know I do love me some good watermelon. Watermelon, kumquat, banana, pineapple, and coconut. Actually, black coconut. I did not realize there was such a thing as black coconut. Neither did I. Anne has decided that her two favorites from this half of the box are the body scrub and the lip jelly. What did you see that you liked? Let me know. I want to know all the details because I am a nosy cow. And just a real quick summary from Fortune Cookie Soap. They do monthly boxes, or you can get a quarterly subscription. We have a link in the description box if you want to check it out. They also have a shop, and you don't have to be a member of their box in order to shop in their shop. And this particular box was $75. We had to pay for shipping, was a little bit over $9. I got 13 unlucky items with a value of $185. So that's a good return on the investment. Yes, I think it is. And so we hope that you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, because you can't believe what's coming next. And we hope everybody is having a happy Halloween, or in a good day if you're not watching this on Halloween. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell. I think I sound like a broken record. So we'll go away now, but we hope to see you soon later on. Stay out of trouble and don't say anything that'll get you into a scary movie.